Hello friends, this is Sasmita Badu and today we will discuss about the climate. So let's start our discussion about climate. Climate is the long-term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 years. More rigorously, it is the mean and variability of meteorological variable over a time spanning from months to millions of years. It means climate is an atmospheric record that is not for 1 year or 2 years. It is an average record of 30 years. It is fixed for millions of years. Then weather. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. For example, at one place the weather condition is it can be hot or cold, wet or dry, calm and stormy, and clear and cloudy. Then monsoon. Monsoon is traditionally a seasonal reversing wind accompanied by corresponding changes in precipitation but is now used to describe seasonal changes in atmospheric circulation and precipitation associated with the asymmetric heating of land and sea. Before some years ago, we only knew it that it is an wind, a directional wind, but now it is used for climatic changes and record. Then we will discuss about the affecting climates and the factors. These are affect the climate. The first one is latitude, the second one is altitude, the third one is distance from sea, and the fourth one is pressure and wind, and the fifth one is ocean currents, and the last one is reliefs. The latitude. As we know, the latitude is it circles around our earth. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country from the Rann of Kutch in the west to Mizoram in the east. Almost half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer belongs to the tropical area. All the remaining area north of the tropic lies in the subtropics. Therefore, India's climate has characteristics of tropical as well as subtropical climates. Here we take a particular climatic record of India to describe the effect of latitude. Then altitude. Altitude refers to the highest above sea level. Temperature decreases with increasing height above sea level. This makes the higher areas to have lower temperatures than the lower areas. A rise in altitude causes a fall in temperature and a cooling effect which causes condensation. Means altitude differs from place to place, and it means it is the height from the sea level that varies from place to place, and it changes the climate of these areas. Then pressure and wind. Earth's average pressure patterns and resulting winds influence climate. Pressure means the movement of wind and that affect the changes of climate. It is the last information but not least, and we will discuss later in our next class. Thank you.